Corned beef is salt-cured brisket of beef. The term comes from the treatment of the meat with large-grained rock salt, also called corns of salt. Sometimes, sugar and spices are also added to corned beef recipes. Corned beef is featured as an ingredient in many cuisines. Most recipes include nitrates, which convert the natural myoglobin in beef to nitrosamyoglobin, giving it a pink color. Nitrates and nitrites reduce the risk of dangerous botulism during curing by inhibiting the growth of Clostridium botulinum bacteria spores, but have been shown to be linked to increased cancer risk in mice. Beef cured without nitrates or nitrites has a gray color and is sometimes called New England corned beef. Corned beef was a popular meal throughout numerous wars, including World War I and World War II, during which fresh meat was rationed. It also remains popular worldwide as an ingredient in a variety of regional dishes and as a common part in modern field rations of various armed forces across the world. Although the exact beginnings of corned beef are unknown, it most likely came about when people began preserving meat through salt curing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.